What does it mean when a judge says, decision reserved? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. When a judge says decision reserved, it means he has now heard oral argument from the attorneys on the different issues involved. And now, rather than reaching an immediate decision, which may be right or wrong, the judge says decision reserved. And what that really means is that the judge is now going to take time to do the research, to evaluate the issues, to learn what the positions are, and then come to an educated decision about which side is correct and which side is incorrect. And now the judge, together with the judge's assistant, known as a law clerk or law secretary, will now help the judge craft a decision that establishes what the issues are, that discusses what the pertinent law is, and then give a rational explanation about why one side is right and one side is wrong. Plus, there's one other reason as well. If the judge were to give an immediate decision without knowing all the other information I just mentioned, now another thing will happen during the course of oral argument. The judge will side with one party, and now the losing party is going to be very upset. And now they're going to start asking the judge to reconsider. And there's going to be whining and arguing and explanations. Judge, tell me why. Judge, why did you do that? Judge, I ask you to reconsider. And the judge doesn't want to get into that type of verbal argument with the parties, with the litigants, with the losing litigant. Instead, they want to have a reasoned, educational response. So now, when a decision is made, now a copy of that decision gets mailed to both lawyers. Now they both get to evaluate it and talk to their clients about it. So anytime you hear a situation where the judge reserves decision, it means they need time to evaluate the issues, do the legal research, and create a decision that's based upon the law as well as the arguments that were made. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into how the legal process works here in the state of New York. You know, I realize you've got questions or concerns about your accident matter, or your medical malpractice matter, or even your wrongful death matter. Well, if you're contemplating bringing a lawsuit and your matter happened here in New York and you've got legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a fantastic day.